In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wireframe in Figma. Let's dive right in and start with accessing the Figma website. Assuming you already have an account, simply enter your email and password and click on the login button to get started. Once you're logged in, you should see your main page. From here, let's move on to creating a wireframe. Wireframes are crucial for visualizing the structure and functionality of a design without getting bogged down by the aesthetics, and Figma offers a user-friendly platform for this purpose. In today's session, I'll walk you through a very straightforward example. To begin, I have two Android compact frames ready for us. These frames are going to form the core of our wireframe setup. The first frame will serve as the front page of your wireframe, and the second, which we'll call the duplicated frame, is going to act as the endpoint. This process allows us to understand the flow from start to finish within our design. Next, we need to add a trigger button to our wireframe. This is essentially an interactive component that users can engage with, taking them from the starting point to the end point. Once you've created this trigger button, you can go ahead and design the endpoint itself. To illustrate this, I'll add a rectangle in the design and type a label inside it to visually mark the change. Now, once you've set up your frame and endpoint, you can further refine the design of your endpoint using the design panel. Figma provides a plethora of design options, allowing you to adjust colors, sizes, and other stylistic elements to make sure your wireframe is as clear and effective as possible. With the design in place, it's time to connect these pages through prototyping. Select the first frame or the front page of your wireframe and click on the prototype option available on the right side panel. You'll notice an interaction section. Click the plus button here to add a new interaction. When you do this, a blue corner grid appears on the selected layer. Now, click and drag the blue arrow towards the second frame. This action establishes a direct pathway from your starting frame to the endpoint. In the trigger section of your prototype pane, choose the On Tap option. For the action field, select Navigate to. And under the animation settings, opt for Smart Animate to create seamless transitions between your frames. You can play around with the curve and duration of the interaction to match your specific preferences. Finally, let's preview our wireframe. You can do this by clicking on the Present button in the upper right corner. Once it loads, go ahead and click on the trigger button we created. If all goes well, you'll see your wireframe in action, demonstrating the interactive flow from start to finish. And there you have it. Congratulations on setting up your Figma wireframe.